Hi, I'm Tim McAdoo from JJ Haynes. Today we're going to talk about Traxx. Got my Traxx knee pads, my Traxx seam weight, and the best tool I have is the Traxx Kool Glide. This is a carpet seaming iron. It shoots radio waves, heats up those seams and the tapes, and does a great job. I can also come back and reactivate those tapes as well. I can use it on laminate, hardwood. Today I'm going to show you how to use it on a piece of click together LVT. A lot of manufacturers are changing facilities. The locking system is changing. So someone wants to add on to that project. The locking systems don't line up. So here's an option for you. So for this LVT, it's got a foam back. It's clicked together. I'm going to say the locking system doesn't marry up anymore. I'm going to use the premium vinyl tape. I'm going to put this underneath it. Plug my iron in and it turns on right away. I'll put these two pieces together. So there's a T, an L, an M, and an H. L, M, H is low, medium, high heat. T is when I want to turn it sideways. So we're going to put this on medium. We're going to set this right here. And then you press the green button. A light comes on. When that light goes off, I move it. And it's heating in between the arrows here on the base. So I'm going to put my finger where the bottom arrow is. I'm going to set this here. Press this again. Set it on that seam. It's done cooking. Move my weight. I'm done. Here's a piece of hardwood I did a little bit earlier. Took the locking system apart so it keeps them held together. Here's a piece of laminate. You can see they're hinged, but I can't pull them apart. That I used a premium uncoated tape. Works very, very well. This is a great system for you to use. Thanks for joining me. I'm Tim McAdoo from JJ Haynes.